Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Deen Daily, where we bring Islamic teachings into our everyday lives in a relatable way. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our videos. Today's topic is one that will inspire you, uplift you, and hopefully help you rethink your daily routine. We're talking about the daily life of the most beloved human being to walk the earth, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ever wonder how he lived and how we can take lessons from his life and apply them in a fast paced world? Let's dive right in. So, let's start with how the Prophet, peace be upon him, began his day. His mornings always started with Fajr, and he would make dua for his nation to be blessed in the early hours. Imagine that, starting your day by seeking or speaking to your Creator and asking for blessings for yourself and others. Isn't that such a powerful mindset shift? Now, let's be real. Waking up early is tough, right? But if we start our day with Fajr, and even if it's a struggle at first, and spend a few minutes making dua, a whole day can feel more peaceful and productive. Just think about how different your day might feel if you started it with gratitude and purpose instead of rushing into your tasks. Give it a try and see how it changes your mood. After Fajr, the Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't just sit back. He was active. He would walk, check on his companions, or go out to work. He believed in earning a halal living and staying active. And here's something cool. He didn't separate spirituality from his work. Everything he did was with the intention of pleasing Allah, whether it was community work, trade, or helping a neighbor. Now, how can we bring this into our own lives? It's simple. Stay active, even if it's a small work or some form of exercise, and approach your work with a mindset of service. Whether you're a student, professional, or stay at home parent, think of your task as a means of pleasing Allah. Suddenly, even the most minute tasks become meaningful. So, what's one way you could stay active today? Maybe take a short walk after watching this video. So, when it comes to family, the Prophet, peace be upon him, was all about kindness, love, and service. He helped with chores around the house and treated everyone with such respect and patience. He wasn't above helping out at home. And here's a little reminder for us all, especially the brothers. The little things matter. Okay? So whether you live with family or on your own, showing kindness in your daily interactions, especially to those closest to you, can transform your home into a place of peace and love. Helping out isn't just a responsibility, it's a chance to earn Allah's pleasure. And remember, kindness in Islam starts at home. So take a moment to reflect what's one small act of kindness you could do for a family member today. Okay? So the Prophet, peace be upon him, also made time for rest. He would take a short nap in the afternoon called Kailullah to recharge for the rest of the day. Think about it. Taking a little break instead of pushing through can actually make you more productive and focused. In today's world, we often feel guilty for resting, right? But taking a quick break, whether it's a nap, a cup of tea, or just a few moments of reflection, can reset. So, it's a great reminder that balance is key. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, take a moment for yourself. What's your favorite way to unwind in the middle of a busy day? Let me know in the comments. So, as the day comes to an end, the Prophet, peace be upon him, would spend time in worship and with his community. He prayed Maghrib and Isha and often used this time to offer advice or check on others. Community was at the heart of everything he did. For us, this could mean praying in congregation when possible or simply checking in on a friend or family member at the end of the day. It's also a reminder to spend some time in reflection. What went well today, or how can you improve tomorrow? The small moments of connection can bring so much peace to your day. So, what's one thing you can do tonight to connect with others or reflect on your day? So, what can we learn from the daily life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? It's all about balance, mindfulness, and intention. So, here's a quick recap. Start your day with Fajr and gratitude. Set your day with purpose and peace by offering prayer and reflecting on the blessings around you. Stay active and approach work with purpose. Even the smallest actions can become acts of worship when done with the right intention. Show kindness at home. Small acts of love and patience can transform relationships and make your home's place of harmony. Take breaks and reflect. Don't hesitate to rest or reflect. It can make you more focused and grounded. And end your day with worship and connection. Whether it's praying or checking in on loved ones, make space for what matters most. Incorporating these habits might seem small, but they can completely transform the way you live. The beauty of Islam is that it's practical. Everything we do, from the simple to the complex, can bring us closer to Allah. So, Jazakallah khair for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below what's one habit from the Prophet's life that you are going to try and incorporate into your own. Until next time, stay blessed and Assalamu Alaikum.